Hey there, I'm Tavia, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to make these amazing party props. They look a little complicated, but I promise you they're so easy to make. I'm in charge of the photo booth this year at my New Year's party, so I figured I'd bring you along and make the final prop. So without further ado, let's get this party started and let's make it. Alright, so the final prop today are going to be some funky glasses, and that's what we're going to be making today. So first let's go over materials. We have our trimmer, our connected device, a wooden dowel, our smart paper sticker cardstock, and then our Cricut Explore 3. Today I'm going to be using yellow and black, and as you can see I've used the other colors from this pack on my other props. So now we're going to head over to Design Space and have the glasses here, and as you can see on this prop, this black border here, to achieve that is called an offset in Design Space, and I'm going to show you how to get that. So up here you see this little offset, and for the glasses in particular we're going to do 0.23. Hit apply, and then I'm going to group, and we're going to duplicate and flip it horizontally. The reason we're doing this is because this is actually adhesive on one side. So we're going to sandwich it together on our wooden dowel. All right, everything looks good here. I did flip the image, so we're going to head over and make it. Before we cut, we want to make sure to do without mat, and that is because this is smart paper. And if you notice, this side does have the adhesive and this side is just the regular sticker. And the nice thing is about the settings is that it knows to cut just the cardstock and not through the adhesive, which is super nice. So let's go ahead and get ready to cut. I'm going to pick my settings before I put it into our Cricut Explore 3, which is the Smart Paper Sticker Cardstock. Slide it in, and it's prompting us to load up. Alright, so now the machine is just measuring everything out, making sure we have the right size paper and all of that good stuff. And then we'll hit go in just a moment. All right, we're just finalizing the design. So this is done cutting. We're gonna unload. You can see that it has cut the cardstock and the adhesive, but it hasn't cut through the backing, which is so cool. So now I'm going to go ahead and load up the yellow, and that's going to be the actual frame of the glasses. So let's go ahead and get the yellow. And same thing, smart paper sticker cardstock. So we're going to load it up in the machine. And again, since this is smart paper, we do not need a mat. All right, it's just measuring out the materials. And it's going to prompt us to go, and then it will cut, and while that's cutting, we'll trim down our other paper to size, just because we don't want to waste material. Once this is done, which it's done now, we're going to unload, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. Just because we have a ton of paper here we can reuse, we're going to just trim it down to size. All right, let's trim that. All right, so we're done with the trimmer. And you can see we have the offset or border and then the actual frames. So first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna take off the yellow frame. And as you can see, the backing is still completely intact and this is the adhesive side. We're just gonna lay it down. Perfect. And then we're gonna do the exact same thing on the second one. And the nice thing is about this cardstock in particular is that the other side is adhesive. So it is the Smart Paper Sticker cardstock. So now we're going to take off the black and I'm going to put this face down. And we're going to take our wooden dowel and what we're going to do here is sandwich in the wooden dowel. All right. This to the side. All right, let's go ahead and sandwich that in as even as possible. All right, my last prop is finally done and I'm ready to party.